welcome back to another crypto video. What's up guys, hope you're doing awesome. So we're gonna look at another video on Polygon Matic today, and I can't believe we just hit that price target on the head and shoulders over here perfectly. I mean, I didn't even mean to actually call that, but it pretty much happened, and that's really good to see that we did find support at the $2 level, because we did not want to break it. We did not want to come down any lower and see like 176 or something like that. That would be pretty catastrophic. So yeah, let's crack on. Polygon is trading at $2.14, rank 14, with a market cap of 14.5 billion, and you can see that over the 30 days we are now down 10%. Over the 2 weeks we're down 20%. And just before we get into those charts, if you are new here, do smash that subscribe button and hit the like and comment below. So basically what happened with Matic is, over the weeks we did have that head and shoulders pattern play out, and we had continuation to the downside. So we found support at 199, and what's happened here is these previous support levels have now been flipped into resistance at $2.29 and $2.39. And of course we had that very bullish target of $3.27 that we never got to. So the volume has dropped off, as you can see, which is not a great thing to see. And we're back under that, that 20-day moving average on the daily time frame. And so far, every single time when you buy under that moving average, here, and here, it's created a very good opportunity to potentially make profit. As you can see, if we pull out the path over here, you can see every single time there's a potential to make profit on these swings, just like so. Let's just change that to a nice pink. So basically you can see every time we're under the moving average, it usually indicates a very good buying area, because there's lots of fear in the market, and basically the price is no longer overvalued. So that's a key undervaluation accumulation zone if you wanted to consider buying in at that level. It's a good DCA buy zone. So we've flipped that into support now, which isn't too great to see, but you can see on the symmetrical triangle here, lots of resistance on these particular levels, 222, 234, and on the support side of things, this massive wick here demonstrating huge buying pressure at 215, 205 and 209. So this is what we're seeing this converging lines right now, and if we were to break to the upside or the downside, that's going to take us back up to the new resistance zone, which is $2, where are we, $2.39. And should we break to the downside, well, it's going to look really bad, to be honest. We'll probably be falling back down to around the 183 mark. So it all depends on what happens with the rest of the market. We're in a bit of a lull. Of course, we had lots of excitement, thrill, euphoria. So we see that distribution, that rollover, and we're back into more of a mean value. And you can see that 20-day moving average again, we're underneath it, which does provide opportunity, because most people will be wanting to sell right now, whereas the smart money will be accumulating and buying those red candles. So it's a good opportunity if you want to lower your average buy-in. If you did buy at $2.93, then if you buy now at $2.09, you're going to reduce the average buy-in. So try not to chase these massive pumps, these huge impulses. Wait for the retracements. You can see on the Fibonacci retracement at the moment, this brings us down to the 0.786, and this is where we're consolidating. Just be aware that we're rolling over, and we may see continuation to the downside. So that's a bit of a wrap on Polygon Matic. I think it looks really good when you zoom out. I mean, you can't argue with over 1000% gains in a year. So if anyone is complaining, you probably shouldn't be. You just got in too late. And that's what I'm seeing, really. Bit of a double bottom potentially playing out. And usually it's a bullish sign as well. So maybe we're going to see our $2.39 rather sooner than later, and that'd be very nice to see. So if you did like the video, do smash a thumbs up, hit a subscribe, and if you want to become a patron, just like Mob, Peter, Alp and Kara, they're now enjoying their ebooks that I've been writing, and it's just going to talk about the turbulent world of crypto and the importance of being able to hold and not give in to the temptations along the way that you see in social media, and also allowing emotions to invalidate the sentiment and the reason you got into crypto in the first place. And I've been there, I've made that mistake, and trust me, it hurts. So this book, inspired by lots of investors that I've spoke to and people that I've met on my travels, is also a reflection of their success and how they managed to pull it off. So that's what I plan to do in the next bear market, and I really can't wait. So if you like the video, hit subscribe and see you in the next one.